A few months ago, I built this low-budget force feedback steering wheel. For the steering position sensor, I used a KY40 rotary encoder. It worked, but because it only has 20 ppr, the steering wasn't very smooth. To improve it, I added a gear ratio between the encoder and the steering shaft. That effectively increased the encoder's resolution, making the wheel much smoother. But today, we're making it even better. This is the MT6701 magnetic encoder. It has a resolution of 1024 ppr, which is a huge upgrade compared to the KY40, and this is not an expensive upgrade. But the performance difference is huge. And if you need to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description below. Another great feature is the Z-signal output. If you're using EMC Pro, this lets the software automatically find and calibrate the wheel's center position. Before we install it, let me quickly explain how a magnetic encoder actually works. So how does this magnetic encoder work? Unlike a normal potentiometer, this encoder doesn't have any physical contact with the rotating part. A small magnet is attached to the steering shaft. The encoder module reads the movement of the magnet as it rotates and converts that movement into a digital signal. This signal tells the controller the exact steering position, and because there is no mechanical contact, there is no wear or friction, which makes the steering smoother and more accurate. If this video is helping you, a like and subscribe would really support the channel. Let's continue. Okay, here is the wiring. You may remember that we used this breadboard to distribute power and ground connections to the Arduino. If you're not sure how it works, you can watch this video on my channel. Now let's connect it to the PC. Since this encoder has 1024 ppr, the CPR value should be set to 4096. At first, my encoder wasn't working properly. It turned out to be a loose connection, so I soldered all the wires directly to the Arduino. After that, everything worked perfectly. And as you can see, the steering is now much smoother than before. Okay, if you have a 3D printer, I designed this adjustable encoder mount for you. You can download the STL file using the link in the description. These are the print settings I used. I'm still new to 3D printing, so feel free to use whatever settings work best for your printer. To assemble it, you'll need two M3 16mm bolts with nuts for the mount, plus 2 screws to secure the encoder, and another 2 screws for the mount to the wheelbase. And here's how it's installing. the magnet holder. This one has an 8mm center hole, and I also included a 10mm one in the download files. I'm not sure if every magnet comes in the same size, so if yours is different, you may need to design one yourself to fit your magnet. Or, if you don't want to print the holder, you can simply stick the magnet directly onto the steering shaft like this. And that's it! The magnetic encoder is now installed and working perfectly. The steering is much smoother, more accurate, and definitely a big upgrade over the KY40. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more DIY sim racing and electronics projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bruh.